This is how I fried eggs with water, an oil-free cooking method for eggs that's revolutionizing my morning routine. First, I cracked 2 eggs into a hot pan, then I poured a small amount of water into the pan and covered it to cook for a few minutes. The steam created by the water does all the work, gently cooking the eggs from all sides without any added fat or calories from oil or butter. Now look how it turned out to be evenly cooked, both the yolk and egg white cooked evenly, just like boiled eggs. The texture is incredibly smooth and tender, with no crispy edges or undercooked whites. This method is oil-free and takes the same time as fried eggs to cook, making it perfect for anyone watching their calorie intake or following a healthier lifestyle. The water creates a gentle steaming effect that ensures consistent cooking throughout, eliminating the common problem of rubbery whites and runny yolks. It's also much easier to clean up since there's no greasy residue left in your pan. This technique is ideal for meal prep, quick breakfasts, or anyone looking to reduce their oil consumption without sacrificing flavor or convenience. Subscribe for more healthy food hacks and cooking tips that make nutritious eating simple and delicious.